Hey, have you ever heard of moon milk? It's kind of interesting because it can actually mean two totally different things. First, there's the moon milk that's a drink. Think of it like a warm, cozy bedtime beverage. It's been around for ages in Ayurvedic practices, which is a traditional Indian way of looking at health. People drink it to help them relax and sleep better. Usually, it's made with warm milk. You can use regular cow's milk or something like almond milk. The cool part is what they add to it. Things like ashwagandha, which is a special herb that's supposed to help with stress, and then warm spices like cinnamon and turmeric. Sometimes they'll even put in things like honey or a little bit of cherry juice. It's all about creating a calming and soothing drink before you drift off to sleep. But get this, there's also another kind of moon milk that you can find in caves. It's this weird, white, creamy stuff that grows on the walls and floors. It's not actually milk, of course. It's made up of tiny crystals, kind of like the minerals that are in rocks. When it's wet, it feels like cream cheese, but if it dries out, it gets all crumbly. Scientists think it forms from water dripping through the cave. People used to even use it for medicine and stuff way back when. So, yeah, moon milk can be a yummy drink to help you sleep, or it can be this strange, creamy stuff you find in a cave. Pretty wild, right? Please comment if you have heard of moon milk.